In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols and currency pairs in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your market watch so you can quickly access the instruments you trade most. First, open Metatrader 5 and make sure you're logged into the correct trading account provided by your broker. This matters because the list of available symbols depends on that connection. If you see a green and red status icon in the bottom right with a data rate, you're connected. If not, give it a moment to establish or reconnect. Next, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. That opens the Market Watch window, the panel that shows live quotes for your selected symbols. If it's already visible, pressing the shortcut will simply toggle it. The Market Watch typically sits on the left side of your workspace and shows instrument names along with bid and ask prices. Now, click the Add option inside Market Watch and type the instrument you want to add. You can search by currency pair or symbol code, like a major pair or a specific CFD. As you type, you'll see matching results organized by category. Click the instrument you want and it will be enabled in your list. If your broker uses suffixes such as a dot or letters after the symbol, choose the version that matches your account type. That ensures pricing and trading conditions are accurate for you. If you prefer a quick way to manage what you see, you can also right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch area. This opens a context menu with handy controls for showing or hiding instruments without leaving the panel you're already working in. From that right-click menu, click Show All to display every symbol your broker offers. This is helpful if you're not sure what the exact symbol name is or you want to discover what's available beyond the majors. Keep in mind that Show All can load a large list, which may feel cluttered, so it's best used when you want a complete view before narrowing down your selections. After adding what you need, you can simply focus on those instruments for your daily workflow. Once the symbols are added, you should see live quotes for them in Market Watch when the platform is connected. If prices look frozen, check your connection status or give the feed a few seconds to update. That's all there is to it. Open Market Watch with Ctrl+M, add the symbols you need by typing their names, use the right-click menu for quick access, and Show All when you want to reveal the full catalog. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading more efficiently in Metatrader 5.